tell her she if it wasn't clean, bro.
Oh, it's happened.
What?
Not with her specifically, but I've shot Plug Talk episodes with girls who told me afterwards, like, Adam, you need to clean your ass better before you leave.
What? Wasn't embarrassed.
Adam, this is disgusting, bro. You got giving you rim jobs? What's good, everybody? We back in this thing. Alright, no. Oh no, man. So, okay, yo. Another day, another reaction. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to switch it up for y'all a little bit. I'm gonna keep it a bean with y'all. Me and my shorty is pregnant, so can't be smoking in the crib, but I still gotta get to then. You see what I'm saying? But look, bro. Long story short, bro. This nigga Adam is up. No way, bro. You telling us that this bitch beat your ass? Y'all over here, y'all focusing on the wrong shit. They over here talking about how long before you kissed her. Hold on. This bitch is eating your ass? You are a grown man. We're gonna hop right into this, John, see what's going on, man. And we're gonna see how this video go while I'm in the whip. I love my little Infinity. Love you, baby. Look, let's hop right into this, John, see what's going on, man. Smash that like button. Y'all know what time it is, bro. It's about time. I need to hurry up and get a studio. Let's get it, bro.
Been a lot of exposure going on Clubhouse.
Yeah.
Our girl Trelly, she married to my man Barry. She got caught cheating with dude Freddie Roosevelt.
Freddie Gibbs?
No, Freddie Roosevelt.
Who's Freddie Roosevelt?
What the fuck?
Former
Yeah, he over there, you know, he over there in the Roosevelt. Him and his brother. Bunch of weirdos, but nevertheless, there's more than levels them over in the trenches. You know, everybody in the clubhouse will understand what I'm saying. They tapped into my spies, got into their DMs on fucking Discord.
They hacked the DMs.
Listen,
I'll be mad as shit.
I don't know what they do. I don't know what's going on. But they got into it, and they got all their love messages. And her husband is on the app.
Uh-oh.
At least you knew with your wife. At least you knew your wife was getting fucked.
I watched her leave, I hugged her goodbye, and then she came back and she gave me a big hug when she got back.
Did you kiss her?
There is no such thing as, you can't give me a big enough hug that's gonna make me forget the fact that she was just deep throating this nigga shit, throwing it back on this nigga shit. That bitch probably slipped out and she put it back in, bro. You got me fucked up. There's nothing you could do to counteract that. I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, later that night.
You hesitated.
Well, I had to think about it a little bit.
Before or after the gargling with Listerine?
She took a shower before she came back. I don't know if there's Listerine involved necessarily.
I hope so.
I didn't think about it. My wife.
So what happens when you see the footage?
I already seen parts of it. She did a good job. Proud of her.
So did she, you know?
It would be like a normal guy if you have a wife and she's got a corporate job, and you know you see her give a presentation at work and she does a real good job, and you're like, damn, I'm
bro, this is a difference because, bro, with love, bro, there's supposed to be boundaries on shit, bro. This ain't fucking you at work, nigga. Bro, at some point, bro, you gotta stand up as a man, bro. As a man, I want y'all to go up and look up mating in lions. Look up mating in animals, bro. You know something that's a common denominator? These niggas will kick a nigga ass if there's another animal trying to fuck with their pussy. Niggas, it's in the biology. So how you just let it go? Yo, that's where you really got me fucked up. It's not like a damn presentation.
I'm proud of you, babe.
I ought to kill this nigga.
Did she give him some head?
Of course.
And you just kissed her?
Well, probably like 6 hours later. But
I mean, we all didn't kiss the female that didn't. Gave another motherfucker some head, I'm sure.
Yeah, I think my window of time that has to go by before I'll kiss a girl after she's like, well, how about that question? You're getting some sloppy top from a girl. Do you grab her by the throat and start making out with her?
If it's a shorty.
Blowjob? Because I'll do that too.
I've definitely kissed my
yeah. That's hot. Her mouth is all...
That is some freak.
What?
But... not after you done busted her mouth, though.
Yeah, bro, no.
That's some other shit.
And if she was eating my ass.
That's some Crip Mac shit.
Yeah, if she was eating my ass, then I'm not gonna kiss her.
Why the fuck is this an option? You see how quiet that nigga Wack got? You know why that nigga Wack ain't say nothing, bro? Because he know he be getting his butthole licked, torn the fuck up by his girl. Did you ever see that video? I posted a video a little while back. They call that nigga 3-finger Wack. What she used to do, she used to give that nigga prostate massages and go like this. You see what I'm saying? So he understand.
Maybe if my ass was super clean.
Why would you let her eat your ass if it wasn't clean, bro?
Oh, it's happened.
What?
Not with her specifically, but I've shot Plug Talk episodes with girls who told me afterwards, like, Adam, you need to clean your ass better before you live.
What?
Wasn't embarrassed.
Adam, this is fucking disgusting, bro. You got bitches giving you rim jobs? Bro, what's going on, bro? What happened to your childhood for you to be like this, bro? I'm about to snap, bro. This nigga crazy, bro.
Yeah, I was a little embarrassed. I walked in on one of the porn star girls having a conversation with a male porn star that we had on set that day shooting something else, and she's complaining to him about how my ass had long ass hairs coming out of it.
Man,
and she's complaining to the dude.
Yo, listen.
And this dude's more established in the game than me, and I'm kind of like copping a plea to him.
Enough ass talk, man.
Sorry.
Yeah, bro, you're tripping. Don't act like you don't like that.
It's Freaky Friday. When are we gonna stop talking about this? Well, probably once the tape comes out. What's the
We're
date?
never gonna stop talking about
The
this.
date is the 5th. It comes out the 13th. So actually, next Wednesday, if we film next Wednesday, it will be the day before it comes out. So unfortunately, we won't be able to react to it. You're gonna set a timer.
I'll react to it.
Yo, oh man, you know what? Nephew, I'm sorry, my man. He brought me some shoes to give to you. They called Broke Till Fridays. They hard.
Okay.
I fucking forgot them. I'm gonna bring them to you next week. They like, do you want blue? I told them the blue and white might be cool for you.
Sure.
No, they nice. I think you'll like them.
One day I'm a blood, one day I'm a crib. Whatever you want.
Well, not again, because I told them you know.
Listen, look, we're not gonna deviate the conversation. Look, y'all can stop talking about that butt stuff if y'all want to. Y'all know y'all like it, and y'all wish y'all couldn't stop. Real shit. Wack, you's a funny ass nigga. And I'm going to get to a lot more of this interview because I noticed you started talking about this situation and this talk that you had with R. Kelly. Let me tell you something, bro. Something's not right. Why you keep linking with all these pedophiles, bro? What's going on? Wack, let me find out you got some pedophilia shit going on back in the day. That's your bald ass. Word, I'm not playing. And I also want to tell y'all I spoke to Sharp, and we're going to make a video about that. It was very enlightening. But look, y'all, Dollar Boys, I love y'all, bro. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all able to help me do this shit, word. And I wouldn't be able to do it, and I wouldn't have the courage to hop and like really make sure I do this shit if it wasn't for y'all. I appreciate y'all, word. Smash that like button. Y'all know what time it is. Don't start getting y'all ass ate by that nigga like that nigga Adam, bro. Men don't get their ass ate, bro. I don't think anybody should get their ass ate because ass is for shitting, but to each his own, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.